Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Cibo Italian restaurant by Margarita Forés. Cibo is your best bet for authentic Italian cuisine in the middle of Manila. Over the last 20 years, this Italian restaurant franchise has been a mainstay in the hearts and stomachs of diners throughout the nation. Cibo's menu is full of classic Italian meals produced with high-quality ingredients, making it a popular choice among tourists as well as locals. Read on to learn more about some of our favorite dishes from the Cibo menu. Cibo, an Italian restaurant chain in the Philippines, was established in 1997 by chef Margarita Forés, who brought her love for Italian cuisine to the country. With its first restaurant in Manila, Cibo quickly gained a devoted following, allowing for its expansion into multiple locations throughout the Philippines. Cibo's authentic Italian cuisine, made with top-notch ingredients and prepared using traditional cooking techniques, has earned numerous accolades and awards. In fact, it was recognized as one of Asia's 50 best restaurants in 2015. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Cibo Delivery. Cibo offers delivery through third-party platforms like GrabFood, Foodpanda, and Deliveroo, depending on your location, and you can also check their website or social media pages for delivery and pickup options. Some branches have their own delivery service, which you can inquire about through their official contact channels. What's the price point for dining at Cibo? Cibo is a mid-priced Italian restaurant. Some menu items are expensive, while many are reasonable. But ultimately, the meal and service are worth the money. How many branches does Cibo have? Cibo currently has 18 branches across the metro and nearby areas. Please like, share, and subscribe. Cibo restaurant offers a wide range of Italian-inspired dishes, including fresh salads, handmade pasta, wood-fired pizzas, meats, seafood, and specialty items, with options for vegetarian and vegan diners, appetizers, and antipasti. Cibo features a variety of starters, such as polenta fries $9, arancini $16, gamberi fritti $16, coccoli $15, and antipasto misto $22 with rotating cheeses, meats, and accompaniments. Other options include Tuscan fries, olives, baby spinach, and burrata caprese $17 with fresh mozzarella, arugula, and cherry tomatoes. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Salads range from house salad $8 with organic mixed greens and balsamic vinaigrette to pair salad $15 with arugula, pecorino toscano, honey, and toasted almonds. Other options include Omero, T&K, caprese salad, farro salad, and seasonal market salad $14 featuring fresh, local ingredients. Pasta. Cibo offers handmade pasta dishes such as pappardelle bolognese $15, linguine cacio e pepe $14, cappelletti alla panna $16, garganelli al pesto $18, and gnocchetti ai formaggi $18. Specialty pasta includes casoracci gamberi $25 with shrimp in a spicy tomato sauce, and rigatoni amatriciana $24 with guanciale and pecorino romano. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Pizza. The menu includes Margarita $12, Marinara $11, Funny $13, Vegetariana $14, Capricciosa $14, Da Vinci $17, Diavola $14.50, and specialty pizzas like Dolce Vita $20 with burrata, speck, and arugula. White pizzas include tartufata $16 and malfitana $20 with mozzarella, mushrooms, and Italian sauce egg. Meats and seafood. Signature dishes include pork tenderloin $26, scallopini di pollo $26, Sicilian grilled pork chop $36, Hanger steak tagliata $34, Chopino $36, mussels Cibo style $27, and pasta con vongole $26. Seafood options feature fresh clams, shrimp, and octopus prepared with Italian sauces and herbs. Specialty and seasonal items. Cibo also offers saltimbocca, polpette meatballs, pastrami, and seasonal specials that rotate based on local ingredients. Many dishes are prepared with attention to Tuscan and Sicilian culinary traditions, emphasizing fresh, high-quality ingredients. Dining notes. Vegetarian and vegan options are available across salads, pasta, and pizza. Wood-fired oven pizzas and handmade pasta are signature features. Prices generally range from $8 for salads and appetizers to $36 for premium entrees. Cibo also offers a full wine list and seasonal specials for a complete Italian dining experience. CIBOPhoenix.com, CIBOPhoenix.com, +1. For the most up-to-date menu and seasonal specials, it is recommended to check Cibo's official website or contact the restaurant directly. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.
Solo na lang din. Solo